This is Project Golf, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Golf is painted in full gloss Porsche Golf blue with silver accents all around. Golf sits on 18-inch Land Rover Sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features an X-Lander front grille, classic front bumper with black metal steering guard, a 6-point external roll cage, 4 LED round spotlights up front and 2 at the rear. Inside, Golf features an Evander wooden steering wheel with nostalgia VT gauges, 2 Puma Classic front seats, a 60-40 split mid-row, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Hans Porsche natural full-grain leather, stitched together in beige and brown. Golf is powered by a GM 565 horsepower LS3 with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern touches such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging and access to USB ports throughout.